Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn quantum programming. Start by building a strong foundation in quantum mechanics, including superposition and entanglement. Grasp linear algebra and complex numbers, which are crucial for representing quantum states and operations. Then, dive into core quantum computing concepts like qubits and quantum gates. Next, select a quantum programming language such as Qiskit, Cirq, or Q-hash. These languages often come with powerful software development kits. Use quantum simulators to run and test your code without needing actual quantum hardware, which is a great way to gain hands-on experience. Engage with online tutorials and structured courses to build a strong foundation. Experiment by implementing various quantum algorithms like Shor's or Grover's. Join quantum programming challenges to apply your knowledge and learn from others in a practical setting. Delve into more complex quantum algorithms and their applications. Stay current by reading academic research papers and specialized textbooks. Connect with the vibrant quantum computing community through forums and online groups for insights and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.